Hello guys, welcome to Satya News. This was the last problem given as homework in definite integrations. Now we will solve it. Here we have to use a property a minus x, and the next step would be pi minus x into log of sine of pi minus x, integration 0 to pi. As we all know that sine pi minus x is sine, and let us assume this question as a. Here the property used is a minus x property. Integration 0 to pi of log sin x minus of x into log sin x dx. Integration 0 to pi. As we can split the integration, we can write like this: integration 0 to pi x log sin x dx and dx. See, this is same as the question which is nothing but a. So we can write a in place of this. So we get a is equals to integration 0 to pi log sin x dx minus a. If we bring this a this side, we get 2a is equals to integration 0 to pi log of sin x dx. As pi is a constant, we can take it outside. A is equals to pi by 2 integration 0 to pi log of sin x dx. As integration 0 to pi by 2 log sin x is a standard value. So we have to convert this pi into pi by 2. We can convert this pi into pi by 2. As this is a even function, we can directly write into 2 and integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx. What is this value? This is minus 1 by 2 log 2, which I have said in the part 4 of definite integrations. You can verify there. And the final answer is minus pi by 2 log 2. So by this problem we are done with the definite integrations, and in this video I am going to start areas chapter. Areas mainly consists of graphs and functions. To perfect in areas, you have to know about definite integrations and indefinite integrations. First of all, I will start the areas chapter with symmetry of curves. First of all, symmetry about x-axis. What is symmetry about x-axis? Which means if there is a function, this is a function y square equals to 4ax, and where it is symmetry about x-axis. See, this is x-axis and this is y. The area above the x-axis and below the x-axis are same, nothing but mirror images. Similarly, symmetry about y-axis. It is the curves like x square equals to 4ay represent the symmetry about y-axis. This is the curve x square equals to 4ay, and see here, this is y-axis and this is x. The right side to the y-axis and left side to the y-axis are same. And next one, symmetry about both axes. We can take an example of circle. X square plus y square equals to 1. See, if a circle is divided into 4 parts, all the 4 parts are equal and symmetric. So here we can say that the symmetry is about x-axis and y-axis, which is both. And the next one, maximum and minimum. If dy by dx is greater than 0, then it is said to be maximum. And when dy by dx is less than 0, it is said to be minimum. Dy by dx means it is a slope of a curve or differentiation of a function. If dy by dx is greater than 0, it is maximum, and less than it is minimum. Next is odd and even function. Odd and even property. As we all know that what is odd property, f of minus x is minus f of x means it is odd, and if f of minus x equals to f of x means it is even. We are done with the symmetry of curves, and now we will discuss the graphical transformations. First one, transformation about x-axis. Sorry, y-axis. If f of x is made to f of x plus a, then the curve is shifted a units upward. And if f of x is made to f of x minus a, then curve is shifted a units downward. Next, second one, transformation about x-axis. If f of x is 10 to f of x plus a, then the curve is shifted a units backward. And if f of x is f of x minus a, curve is shifted a units forward. I have given all the properties and graphical transformation in the description. You can check there. Next, the third one. If f of x is multiplied with a, then the curve is made to stretch along y-axis. Stretch along y-axis. And if f of x is made to multiply by 1 by a, then as it is the curve is made to shrink along y-axis. Next, fourth one, if f of x is made to f of ax, which is nothing but a is multiplied to the x term in the function f of x, then the curve is made to shrink along x-axis. And similarly, if f of x is made to f of a by x by a, then the curve is made to stretch along x-axis. And the fifth one is reflection property, which is f of x is when f of minus x, then the curve is made to be reflected along along y-axis. For example, this is the curve of e power x And if we ask what is the curve of e power minus 6, then we have to make a reflection with respect to y-axis. So which becomes the right side part becomes left side and left side part becomes right. So this is the curve of e power minus x. And the sixth one, if f of x is made to minus of f of x, then the curve is taken reflection along x-axis. For example, same as e power x, this is e power x and this is minus e power x. Got it right? There are 5 more graphical transformations which are very important. I have left them in the description. You can please check there. Let's do this problem now. See, this is a problem. Find the area of the curve y square equals to 4x, comma x equal to 2. Please remember that for every area finding problem, you have to draw the graph. Without graph, you can't do that problem. See, first of all, draw the graph. This is the curve of y square equals to 4x. And let it be x equal to 2 graph. These two are symmetric. And first of all, we have to solve these two so that we get the points where they intersect. So I am solving them now. Y square equals to 4x, where x equal to 2, y square equals to 8, y is equals to plus or minus 2 root 2. So the points are 2 comma 2 root 2 and 2 comma minus 2 root 2. This point is 2 comma minus 2 root 2 as it is in the 4th quadrant, and this is 2 comma 2 root 2. This is 2. See here. We need to find this area. As these are symmetric, we can find only this part and we can double it, or this part and we can double it. So I am now finding this part, only this, which is integration of from 0 to 2. 0 to 2, what is it? Y square equals to 4x. We have to write in terms of y, as we are taking the limits in terms of x. So y is equals to 2 root x is our function, and we get 2 root x. What is integration of 2 root x? It is 2x whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 from limit 0 to 2. If we take 4 by 3 outside, we get 2 power 3 by 2 minus 0. Okay. 4 by 3 into 2 power 3 by 2 is nothing but 2 root 2. The answer is 8 by 3 root 2. But this is not our final answer because we have to double it. So the final answer is 16 root 2 by 3. This is the area of the curve, which is from x equals to 2 and y square equals to 4x. So that's it for today. Please like, share, subscribe Sajjan's channel. If there are any comments or suggestions, please drop them in the comment box. Thank you.